Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Marginal revenue product sounds tricky, but this one is fast if you remember what perfect competition does to revenue and how labor adds output. Marginal revenue product of labor means the extra revenue created by hiring one more unit of labor. So start with the idea that MRPL equals marginal revenue times marginal product of labor. In a perfectly competitive product market, marginal revenue equals the output price because the firm is a price taker. So replace marginal revenue with price in that MRPL formula. Therefore, MRPL equals price of output times marginal product of labor, which matches choice E exactly, and none of the other options state that relationship. Well done! You nailed it! Scan now. The trap is rushing signs and choices. The rule is trust what's given and check each step.